Hello folks, just to let you know, if you want to come along with us, Karen and I are going to go to Hardwick Hall. We're going to take Iris, our motorhome, a little run out just to keep the wheels turning, battery charged, etc. It's probably nearly a month since we used it last. It was down when we went to Blenheim Palace. So we won't be using it until 2020. We have got a site booked on 2nd of January, which is at Boroughbridge. We're only there for 4 nights. What we're going to do is try and get away at least once a month. We've got a lot of sites booked up till June, and we've got to look at later on in the year. But if you want to come along with us, and we're going to see Hardwick. It's decked up by the volunteers of the National Trust for Christmas. So I don't know what it's going to be like, but we'll take the camera along, and if you want to come and join us, please feel free. Join us at Hardwick Hall. We'll see you later on. Bye for now.
Yes, come summertime, didn't we? So yeah.
Just 2 of the 3 floors open today, but beautifully decorated,
Yeah.
and it's open till 3.
Great. Okay, no problem.
Okay,
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
Including me.
Like you say, we've got a ticket with the atmosphere as well. So we've got everything out anyway, haven't we? Yeah. I think you might, I don't know. As I hope so, on the plinth.
Rudolph's still got his red nose. Starting to rain.
Yeah.
Apparently, the company says that from the bridge is from Venice.
Cold one though, isn't it? Weren't much warm in the house, would it?
It isn't it? I think we're safe. Yeah, like you say, you've got a whole empty space and somebody goes and pass next to you.
I just knew, and you know, I must have known because I was actually thinking about it. That it's strange.
Empty car park. Must get lonely. I suppose one thing, at least they haven't parked next to the door.
No, that's a bit of consideration, won't it?
Oh, it's lucky mucky that motorhome now. To that run.
And it's going to need to wash less.
All black from Sutton, that from.
Don't leave.
Yeah. Right,
Right, home dear.
mud splattered.
Right then folks, I hope you like that little trip out in our motorhome and to see Hardwick Hall at Christmas. All it leaves me to say is I'd like to thank everybody who has supported this channel and has kept up, or new subscribers and the old subscribers. And the last thing I want to say to you is have a wonderful Christmas and a happy new year, and here's to lots of motorhome travels in 2020. Don't forget, if you like what you see, don't forget, give me that thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget, if you haven't already subscribed, click that subscribe button and click that notification bell. It'll tell you when I've uploaded more videos. I have got a lot more videos to upload. It's just finding the time to actually get them edited. So that's it for now. Once again, Merry Christmas to you all. Have a wonderful, wonderful Christmas. Bye for now. Bye.